Good morning, everyone. I am Kevin Diguma from Race Cream Toy. Uh, my opinion about those questions or about those scenarios, we know that images can be powerful and sometimes controversial. Uh, imagine just like like just like imagine a situation just like the image of Jesus Christ and Mom Mary. Uh, that place next to sexual or public image, uh, we know that it would feel as a disrespect and offensive. It's because these religious figures are deeply respected and sacred in many religions. And this situation can be considered an ethical issue. Yeah, and it is ethics. It is about knowing what is right or wrong, and it is about knowing what is right or wrong behavior. And many people would say this is wrong because it shows disrespect to something that to something that others hold holy. Uh, Religion is very important to many individuals, and images like this could hurt their feelings or beliefs. And it may also cause conflict between different groups of people and even if someone does not mean to offend others, such as an image can still be such as an image can still be harmful. Yes. And some people might argue that freedom of freedom of expression allows individuals to create and share any kind of image. uh, they may say that art and expression should not be limited. Still, comes with uh, freedom comes with responsibility, and people should think about how their actions affect others. Yes, they think about their actions, and especially when it comes or when it involves sensitive topics like religion. And the questions of whether right whether it is right or whether is right or wrong can depend on a person's religion or beliefs. For example, Christians may find this very offensive because they honor Jesus Christ and Mary, or people from other religions or those who are not religions, or I mean religious rather, and may not feel the same level of concern. But even if someone does not belong to that religion, they can still choose to respect others' beliefs. Yes, we still choose to respect other beliefs, and respect and understanding are important in a diverse society. Yes, respect and understanding. And placing a sacred religious image beside a sexual or inappropriate image uh, mm, can raise a serious ethical concerns. And while opinions may differ, it is important to practice respect and sensitivity. Respect. Have having a respect and a peaceful society depends on how well people understand and respect each other's beliefs. And I guess this is the end of my video, and thank you for watching.